The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 takes a step forward thanks to two important improvements: inverted forks and radial calipers, and more comprehensive electronics with an electronic throttle. There is also the possibility of a Y-AMT installation. The Yamaha MT-07 is an A2 motorcycle that redefines the midsize naked segment with features and an affordable price that have made it a benchmark and an absolute leader with great sales success over the last decade. Key to its success: CP2 engine with improved sound. Yamaha MT-07 and AMT 2025 static 19-foot. One of the keys to the 07's success is the onboard driving experience, and a big part of that comes from the now legendary 690 cubic centimeters CP2 parallel twin engine. The performance figures haven't changed much, with just over 73 horsepower, and therefore limited to A2 license holders, who have been the target audience of the model since day one. What they've changed is an innovative acoustic amplification system to enhance the sound and create a riding experience that connects the rider more closely to his machine. To its distinctive unbalanced ignition, we should also add an intake manifold that has been tuned to scream, with a more pronounced roar when you open the throttle, especially in the mid-range. One of the most important innovations in its dynamics is no less important: the introduction of the A and S-assisted anti-hopping clutch, which allows lighter and smoother downshifts and reduces the amount of force required at the lever by 22%. The Tuning Fork brand has taken this step by adopting an electronic throttle valve system on the Yamaha MT-07, opening the door to assistance never seen before on this model. Initially, the rider can choose between three YRC, Yamaha ride control settings for different power outputs. The YCCT microprocessor also offers switchable traction control, Y-AMT gearshifting, and Yamaha's third-generation quick upshift and downshift mechanism as an optional extra on the standard version. Cruise control is also standard on the Y-AMT version. The rider can choose between two pre-configured YRC riding modes, Sport and Street, and there is also a custom mode that can be customized via the TFT display or the free My Ride app. You can choose between 3 different power maps and 2 different traction control levels. You can also switch these levels off. Note the progress made in the chassis of the limited edition naked bike, as we can see in the suspensions. A new 41mm inverted front fork has been installed, offering greater stability and a more modern look. The chassis is new, only the previous steering column has been retained, with a tubular steel structure that weighs the same as before, 14.8 kilograms, and offers sportier handling, more torsional, longitudinal and lateral rigidity. The new aluminium steering plates are a first for a large-volume Yamaha. This design saves around half a kilo, contributing to the overall weight reduction and dynamism that has always characterized the model. At the rear, there is a monoshock with optimized linkages and adjustable preload and rebound damping. For the first time on the Yamaha MT-07, we see radial-mounted 4-piston brake calipers. This has been one of the basic principles of the model since its creation, and in this evolution they have worked hard to reduce weight despite the significant increase in equipment. This enhancement would mean an increase of approximately 4.5 kilos, but the total weight of the Yamaha MT-07 remained at 183 kilograms, 1 kilogram less than the previous model. The Yamaha MT-07 also has a new look with its brand new body and completely redesigned dual LED headlights. The new LED headlights contribute to the new personality of the vehicle, while it is also possible to capture this effect with the new shapes of the tail, tank and LED taillights. Although it is identified with the MT family, it brings a new breath to the model. Yamaha MT-07 and AMT 2025 Action 10. Another important dimension of the riding experience is the riding position, which is now sportier and more integrated with the motorcycle. The seat height is 805 mm and is suitable for all types of users. The handlebars are 18 mm wider, 22 mm lower and 9.3 mm further back. On the other hand, the footrests are 10 mm lower to increase legroom. The fuel cap has been narrowed for greater accessibility and designed to help you feel the grip on your knees, but its capacity remains at 14 liters. The instrument panel is a 5-inch color TFT screen with 4 screen themes that show essential data such as fuel level, average fuel consumption, air temperature and gearshift indicator.